In today's video, we embark on a thrilling exploration of one of the world's most iconic and enigmatic archaeological treasures, the ancient city of Machu Picchu. Perched high in the majestic Andes Mountains of Peru, Machu Picchu has captivated the imagination of explorers, historians, and curious wanderers for centuries. This UNESCO World Heritage Site holds the keys to a lost civilization, showcasing the remarkable achievements of the Inca Empire. The story of Machu Picchu is covered in mystery. Built around the 15th century and abandoned a century later, the city remained hidden from the world until its rediscovery in 1911. Its purpose and the reason for its abandonment remain unsolved questions, leaving us to marvel at the ingenuity and architectural brilliance of its creators. Stay tuned to find more interesting things about the history of Machu Picchu and what you should visit if you come here. But first, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. The construction and occupation of Machu Picchu have been the subject of scholarly debate for years. Recent studies utilizing radiocarbon dating techniques suggest that the city may have been occupied from around 1420 to 1530 AD during the reigns of Inca rulers Pachacutec, Tupac Inca Yupanqui, and Huayna Picchu. The region surrounding the Picchu Gorge, located between the Andes and the Amazon rainforest, was initially colonized by Andean populations from Vilcabamba and the Sacred Valley in Cusco. Evidence of agriculture in the area dates back to 760 BC. During the Middle Horizon period, starting around 900 AD, there was a demographic explosion attributed to groups possibly linked to the Tampu ethnic group of Urubamba. The specific site of Machu Picchu itself, on the rocky ridge connecting Machu Picchu and Huayna Picchu, shows no evidence of previous structures before the 15th century. Construction of the city is believed to have begun in the 1450s and is attributed to Inca rulers Pachacutec and Tupac Inca Yupanqui. Pachacutec likely ordered its construction as a retreat after a successful military campaign, and it was not passed down through the line of succession. Machu Picchu was likely home to a mobile population of 300 to 1,000 inhabitants, including elite members and chosen women known as Atlas. The agricultural workforce consisted of slaves from various parts of the Inca Empire. Machu Picchu was not an isolated complex, but part of a densely populated region that saw increased agricultural productivity after Inca occupation. The decline of Machu Picchu began after Pachacutec's death, as subsequent rulers favored their personal properties. The opening of a safer road between Ollantaytambo and Vilcabamba reduced traffic through the Picchu Gorge. After approximately 80 years of use, Machu Picchu was abandoned, possibly due to the Spanish conquest and the introduction of diseases like smallpox. Thus, Machu Picchu's history encompasses a period of Inca occupation, agricultural significance, and eventual abandonment, reflecting the complex dynamics of the Inca Empire in the face of external pressures. In the late 1500s, Spanish conquistadors heard local tales of a place called Huayna Picchu. The site was described by Spanish conquistador Baltasar de Ocampo as a mountain fortress called Pitcos, featuring majestic buildings with intricately carved marble lintels on their doors. Over time, the site was reclaimed by the jungle, remaining unknown to most. In 1867, a German businessman named Augusto Bernst may have rediscovered and looted the site, although evidence suggests German engineer Georg von Hassel arrived earlier. Maps from 1874 referred Machu Picchu, while a 1904 atlas called it Huayna Picchu. In 1911, American explorer Hiram Bingham, guided by Melchor Arteaga, reached Machu Picchu. Although not the first to visit, Bingham's expedition brought international attention and earned him the title of its scientific discoverer. He organized subsequent expeditions in 1912 for clearing and excavation. Through Bingham's efforts, Machu Picchu became a renowned archaeological site, shedding light on the Inca civilization's ingenuity and captivating the world with its preserved beauty. Nestled amidst lush green mountains and enveloped by swirling mist, Machu Picchu's location is as dramatic as its history. Situated at an altitude of approximately 2,430 meters above sea level, Machu Picchu offers a captivating blend of breathtaking mountain vistas and diverse climatic patterns. Nestled on the crest of its eponymous mountain, the ancient city lies about 80 kilometers northwest of Cusco. Strategically perched above a bend in the Urubamba River, Machu Picchu is encircled by the river on three sides, with dramatic cliffs plunging 450 meters down to the flowing waters below. These natural features, including steep mountains and abrupt cliffs, provided inherent defenses for the city, which remained hidden due to its military significance. The Inca Bridge, a grass rope bridge spanning the Urubamba River, served as a secret entrance for the Inca army, while the tree-trunk bridge west of Machu Picchu bridged a 6-meter gap in the cliff. Machu Picchu and Huayna Picchu, the two neighboring mountains, offer commanding views of the surrounding valleys, providing the city with a strategic advantage. The water supply stems from resilient natural springs, and the slopes leading to Machu Picchu are intricately terraced to maximize forming potential and impede potential invaders. Two high-altitude routes, the Sun Gate and the Inca Bridge, connect Machu Picchu to Cusco but could be easily blocked in times of danger. The subtropical region of Machu Picchu enjoys a pleasant climate characterized by cool and warm conditions, resulting in a rich biodiversity within the sanctuary. It experiences a milder climate than Cusco, being lower in elevation. The rainy season from November to March brings higher precipitation, with February being the wettest month. Despite the rain, temperatures range between 19 and 21 degrees Celsius, making exploring the vibrant green landscape and the transformed Inca city a unique experience. The dry season, from May to October, offers mostly dry water, with temperatures ranging from 17 to 19 degrees Celsius, providing sunny days and thriving flora. June and July are the coldest months, temperatures occasionally dropping below freezing. September, with its fantastic weather, lush landscapes, and fewer crowds, presents an excellent opportunity for an unforgettable visit and stunning photography. The Inca Trail to Machu Picchu is a legendary hiking experience that attracts adventure enthusiasts and history lovers alike. This iconic trail takes trekkers through breathtaking landscapes and offers a glimpse into the rich history of the ancient Incan civilization. With three main routes to choose from, Mole Pata, One Day, and Classic, hikers can embark on a journey suited to their preferences and time constraints. The Classic Inca Trail is the most popular choice, spanning approximately 4 to 5 days. It immerses trekkers in diverse Andean environments, including cloud forests and alpine tundra. However, it's crucial to note that the Inca Trail has limited capacity to preserve its natural and cultural heritage. To protect the trail and prevent overuse, the Peruvian government has implemented strict regulations, including a maximum of 500 individuals allowed on the trail each day. Therefore, advance booking is necessary, particularly during the high season, when permits sell out quickly. The annual closure in February allows the cleaning and maintenance, ensuring the trail's condition and the safety of future trekkers. Machu Picchu's buildings reveal intriguing insights into Inca civilization. Divided into urban and agricultural sectors, with upper and lower towns, approximately 200 strategically placed structures adorn terraces. The Temple of the Sun, also known as the Torreon, holds a strategic position in the religious sector of Machu Picchu. This semicircular temple exhibits exquisite ashlar stonework and features two trapezoidal windows aligned with celestial events. It was believed to house the remains of Inca Pachacutec and served as a site for sun worship. The Palace of the Princess, adjacent to the Temple of the Sun, is a meticulously crafted structure associated with an Inca princess or esteemed female priest. Its strategic location, exceptional craftsmanship, and potential use in sacrificial rituals indicate its significance. The Temple of the Three Windows, near the main plaza, is a hall with three trapezoidal windows representing different realms. It symbolizes the celestial and earthly realms and offers a glimpse into the archaeological mastery of Machu Picchu. The Intihuatana stone, a ritual stone, served as an astronomical clock or calendar for the Inca civilization. Its complex surfaces and angles align with the sun's position during various celestial events. The Temple of the Condor showcases stunning Inca stonemasonry and pays homage to the revered Andean condor. It features a massive condor head carving and the prison complex behind it, reflecting the Inca civilization's beliefs and practices. The Inca trunk bridge, located on the western border, is a remarkable construction made of sturdy tree trunks. It served as a defensive boundary, allowing the Incas to prevent invasion by removing the bridge. Although currently prohibited to cross, the Inca bridge showcases the engineering skills and defense systems of the ancient Incas. The Intihuatana cave, located near the Condor stone, played a crucial role in observing the royal feast of the sun. It showcases remarkable Incan masonry and remained inaccessible for most of the year. The House of the High Priest, closely connected to the Temple of the Sun, features 4 original walls and likely held significant religious objects. Its architectural excellence reflects its importance within the citadel. The Watchman's Hut, also known as the guardhouse, served as a lookout post to protect Machu Picchu. It is believed to have been used for mummification of Inca nobility on the carved rock behind the hut. These structures provide glimpses into the Inca spiritual beliefs, architectural mastery, and defensive strategies. Visitors can explore the intricate craftsmanship, symbolic significance, and historical importance of each building, immersing themselves in the captivating world of Machu Picchu. As you admire the breathtaking views and encounter the local wildlife, you'll be transported to an ancient civilization and witness the enduring legacy of the Incas. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you know other interesting stuff about Machu Picchu that I forgot to mention, please write about them in a comment below. And remember that you can help our channel to grow by just pressing the like button and by sharing this video with your friends.